Nature Girl on a Mission family. I am out here walking. Like I said, I am trying to lose weight. I'm going to lose weight. Trying is crazy. I'm going to lose weight. I got, sorry, I'm out of breath and walking. When I made it to Washington State, I'm not gonna lie, kind of was trying all kind of different food. Was excited because the stuff that we have, that we don't have in Texas, they have in Washington. So that's why I gained so much weight. And I was not happy. I lost a lot of weight since the time, like last year, 2 years ago. I had a lot of weight on me. But now I still have weight on me, but it's okay because guess what? Nature Girl on a Mission is working on herself, her self confidence, everything. Everything's going to be fine. I'm going to be good and I'm going to lose this weight. And with my support, I know y'all going to be supporting me, watching my journey. So, yes, look at this trail, y'all. It's pretty cool. Let's see what baby doing. She's over here. They have like a race going on. I forgot the name of it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. She's My wife is vlogging too, so you might hear her as well. But see, I don't know if you can see. Maybe I could bring it close up. No, I can't. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You want to say hi to my vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Nature Girl on a Mission.
Hey, Shauna's Adventures Vlogs. We are here for another banger. Hey.
Yes, and like I said, me and my wife is out here on our journey together. We're doing this together as a wife should do. Have each other back.
Yep.
And yeah, so we're enjoying the sun. We're enjoying a walk, enjoying each other. And I would definitely be back. Nature Girl on a Mission, and I am on a mission. All right, people. I'll be back. One love. Mwah. And this is some part of beautiful nature that I love. People having fun, enjoying life, getting a workout, fishing. Here goes the water. Everybody just having a good time.
Yeah.
Everybody just enjoy each other, even when they're doing their own thing. It's a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. So why not come out and enjoy life? Yeah, I'll be back. This is life. Just go, get out, go outside. You know, enjoy the breeze. If it feels good, why not be in it? Let's look at this. You hear that? That's nature. That's what Nature Girl likes. Sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath.
Okay.
That's because I'm walking. And yes, this is so beautiful. This time I might be quiet, but it's okay because I'm enjoying everything. These are, look at this. Yeah. This is peace. This is what you call peace. We are at so much peace. It's lovely over here. It's a blessing to be here. No negativity in your life. We do not claim that. We do not. We do not allow that. We would not allow that. Yeah. Because if you want to be negative, then you can't come around us.
Correct.
We're not accepting it. Okay. Just come along with me and baby. Ready? Cause you want to go first?
It don't matter. You recording too?
Yeah.
Come on,
Come, well, we could just walk together.
yeah.
Me and my wife was recording. It's funny.
My thighs are so sore from physical therapy, guys. Yeah, the water's low.
Very low. So relaxing. And if anything, if you like just need to come, you live around this area and you need to just come out and just sit down like I'm about to do and just enjoy this beautiful view, clear your mind, you can do it. It's okay. Everybody needs, a mental break, and that's okay. And don't let nobody say that it's not okay. It's okay to take time out for yourself because we all need that. Sometimes we got to shut the world out a little bit, you know. It could be a long day at work, school, anything, and you just need a break. And that's okay. So always remember that. Say hi, baby.
Hi. You see the face I made?
He's so silly. Look at this. One thing about Washington, they got some big old trees. Like, oh, I guess I can zoom down. They have some big old trees. Like, dang. I ain't never seen no big old trees like this until I moved here with my family. Crazy. In my wife's famous words, crazy work. Whew. We're almost at the end of our walk. The video was short, but the walk wasn't. See? Is it for anybody, kids? I like this. I love this. Yeah, it's cute. Stephen book. And then they're fishing down here as well. So yeah, when I tell you about big trees, look at this. Look at this daggone tree. Like, let me bring close. Look how big. Like, what in the world? Wow. So pretty though. Like, let me walk close to it so you can see. This tree is huge. Yeah. Right there, I believe it shows you how deep the water is. If y'all can see that. Yeah, so beautiful. Well, we are done walking. We made it to the end. Um, Thank you for coming along with Nature Girl on a Mission, including my wife. And I hope y'all subscribe to us. And I hope everybody have a blessed and amazing day. Thank you so much. Peace and one love. Mwah.